On 15th of November, Kangbura Killing, EM of KAAC, landed in a controversy after his telephonic conversation with a journalist was leaked online, in which he made a comparison of press corps and terrorists as the two faces of the same coin. This had sparked outrage among the media fraternity and the citizens of Karbi Anglong as a whole. With reference to it, Vothatlangso Press Club argued during a press conference called on 1st December. Various press clubs of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong had argued and condemned Kangbura Killing executive member over his statement over press corps as terrorists. Likewise, Vothatlangso Press Club on Thursday called for a press conference and condemned over his remark. Vothatlangso Press Club during a press conference stated that we are not only working for our own, but we are working for everyone. We are the one who visit the ground for reporting and then bring the issues and grievances of the deprived people to the light in front of everyone.
Lasi inut Kangbura Killing abangke akai rap ke hello piglo lam sinil tumhan kalili kalang lang nang kar bok abangke nil tum ningduk piglo lasi alang liphan labang sukani ye dara putha abangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along pen aku pen hek vet nangi pusinil tum ahin pen chunuri pati krim lo.
Being an executive member, Kangbura Killing took the oath to serve as the people's representative throughout the term. But today, not even a year had passed, he had shown his true colors by labeling media fraternity as terrorists. Therefore, he has to appear the evidence as on what basis did he compare press corps with a terrorist.
Inut IM pule kangri kangkrang hutpen kalili kalanglang karbok tap karbok kru labang alang ikente rada phan kelam jari thagia bang fuluma rada tum bang ke alang iphan kanghon longi mane ni tum phan radi mane pusi alang iphan wuchu pipen si alang iphan pahailo sitame pinia ni bang ke lahai langkali langkang thermate nongno ke jo bang si rada atheno klang roka bang ke nani chu thera ta chu thera nangji lasi nani Kangbura Killing nani ke em ke chonangi atheng kali pusi ni tum thera ke hinpen jongdam thipji.
Vothatlangso Press Club also questioned Kangbura Killing over his capability to serve the people under the influence of alcohol. Says, you must be ashamed of yourself for using invective language under the influence of alcohol. You are incompetent to be in the EM's bird. Pratap Kathar's report from Vothatlangso for Karbi Anglong Live.